Alright guys, we're loading up the Ranger Raptor for a weekend out at Lost Maples State Park. It looks like it might rain. We got the canopy in there. Now for these totes. Let's see. I mean, we got all this same gear loaded in the Maverick, and the Ranger's bigger, so we should be fine. We found a different sleeping solution in the cots, so we'll give that a try, see how that goes. And if you notice, the bed rug isn't completely attached down yet. I just have it fitted in here. I need to clean the bed, get it all clean before I pull the adhesives and attach it. But I didn't have time since we're loading up to go for the weekend. We'll do that next week or something. Let's fit in here. Let's see. Let's move the camping table. So there's two of these bags. Each one has, I could probably fit in here. Has a chair, side table, and like a hammock, so that in case me or my wife go anywhere individually, you just grab a bag and you're ready to go. You got everything you need. Yeah, all right. You can probably just go up front. Yeah, that'll work. And this bag has our tent, a mallet, some stakes, just like that. Goes there. Actually, this can probably go here because I need to leave space for some water. Let me stop somewhere and refill water. This is our new sleeping solution we're trying. It's one hammock, got another one, another hammock. Blackstone. I live up here. that's pretty much it. All right, let me set you guys up so you can see how we load up the inside with the fridge, my backpack, and some of the rest of our stuff. This will be a whole lot better once we stick everything down. Right, I'm gonna throw these two down first. There are pillows. We vacuum seal in these bags. They come in handy. They make a lot of stuff take up a very little amount of space. Now that's 4 pillows from our bedroom. All right, let me scoot this seat up a little bit. So I can get it in here. Forgot my wife's foraging kit. Need to throw that in the back. This is in case while we're hiking and she sees anything that she wants, she can grab the cutting off of it, clone it when we get home. Probably should have put the fridge in here before it was full of food. All right. Right now it's running on battery power. It's a lot longer now that I installed the wheels on. And the Ranger, the Raptor is significantly taller than the Maverick Tremor. All right. So far you've seen me put in here 4 pillows, and it's what, 2 regular pillows and then 2 king size pillows. And now I'm putting in here 3 blankets, and one of them being a full size down. All just vacuum sealed. All right, even though we're camping, quite frankly, we're not really backpacking and we're not really trying to rough it. So the only thing left is my wife's stuff. I'm gonna throw the little dry goods, foods in there. Oops. What's this? All right. All right, guys, that's it. See you guys at the campsite once we're all set up. Hey, what's up, guys? It's early. Everybody's starting to get up. Figured I'd show you around the campsite a little bit. So here's where we are. It's campsite 10. It's at the Ranger Raptor.